Goes. All right, here we go. We got a break of the new UFC. Again, this is for Ismael in California. I think we're going to ship one sealed, and he wants one broke for a video. So here we go.
Base.
That's the
Then an insert. Is this Frank Mir matte relic?
Yep, piece of matte.
They numbered? Nope.
That one's not numbered. No.
Alright.
Who's the insert? Michael
Bisping.
All right. Another one.
Rashad Evans and
Another matte.
Matt Jens Pulver. To 199.
199.
Mm-hmm.
Bloodlines.
Antonio Hardonk.
You know him?
No. Here's a thick one.
Yeah, the gold card. Who was it? Grant versus somebody.
Chonin. Yep.
Who was it?
Gano.
Achikiro Gano. Okay.
Mercio. Whoa.
You don't know all these dudes?
Nah.
Who's your favorite one?
Silva. Kenny Florian. Thick card. No autos. Joe Stevenson. Quentin Jackson. Kima.
Okami.
Yushin Okami.
What'd you call it?
What is this?
It's an insert.
And Hamill. Who the hell is that guy? Oh, he's the announcer. Oh, I don't know. Where's the autos?
Coming up.
Lots of advertisement.
Brandon Vera was the thick gold.
Vera.
Or Vera.
Marcus Davis. Chris Little. Randy Couture.
Here's one.
What is it? David Faulkner.
That's the on-card auto.
On-card auto.
David, I mean, you should get two more, actually. The ones with the on-card auto have three, I think. Well, usually they do. Here's one.
Cross check.
See. Okay.
Tyson Griffin. Gear versus Pin. Lloyd Machida. Okay. Oh, there's.
Got a pile of packs left.
Yeah, I didn't know that. Mark Coleman. St. Pierre, 6 of 8.
Oh, that was a short printed one. George St. Pierre. Numbered to 8. It's the red version. First one I've seen of those. I've seen the gold and the silver.
Ken Shamrock. Dollaway.
Okay.
Dan Henderson. Royce Gracie, Herb Dean,
Last pack, Ismael. There we go.
Marcus Davis, Josh Howard, Chris Wilson. Cool.
That will do, sir. So you got 3 autos, and you got one of those red variations numbered to 8 of Pierre. All right, buddy. I'll get those shipped out, and I'll ship it out with that sealed box for you. Thanks a lot, man. See ya.